Blah, blah. That's what he does. Da, 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 da. Ah, da, da, da.
Pick him up. A da da.
Da, da, da. Aromayer. Da, 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 da.
Pick him closer to the, so I don't see his nose, up his nose. Lift him straight up. Okay. A da 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 da. A da da da. It's like we're having a conversation.
Da, 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 da.
A da.
He laughed like it was something funny, I assume.
Aromayer. Aromayer.
What are you rapping for?
What do you see? A da da. He's like, I could a da da you.
Ah, da, 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 da.
Da da.
You Jumpy? Jumpy boy? Jumpy boy?
Da da.
He's like a real person.
He really is.
Overnight.
Even from the time he...
That's
Ah! What do you got? A da da. Ah, da da. Could you imagine my voice on this video?
It looks like he's faking. Look at his face.
Yeah.
When I do this, it looks like he's fake laughing just to please me. Look.
Again. He's like saying again. Oh my god. Atata! Oh my god.
Aromayer.
What are you looking for?
Get those fingers out. Let's continue laughing. The other side. I think that's his laugh.
He's cracking up.
It sounds like, at first I thought he was upset, but he's
No, he's happy. You should see. Mama Bunny? He wants more. It's like he wants more. He's yelling. You should see his face when you're kissing him on this side. You can't see it. He's like...
He loves it. Get that hair out of your mouth. Gross. No hair in your mouth. I had a dream the other night that Alex and I went on some trip or whatever, and then we said that we needed... Can you stop filming?